How does the KNN algorithm classify new data points? The K-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm classifies new data points based on the majority class of their nearest neighbors in the feature space. Here is a concise explanation of how it works. Calculate distance, identify nearest neighbors, count the votes, assign class. Example, consider a scenario where we want to classify a new data point based on its features. Example, dimensions of an object. Distance calculation. Calculate the Euclidean distance from the new data point to all other points in the training dataset. Finding nearest neighbors. Suppose k is equal to 3, and the three closest points to the new data point have class labels A, B, and A. Voting. Count the votes. Class A gets 2 votes, and Class B gets 1 vote. Classification. Since Class A has the majority of votes, the new data point is classified as Class A. The KNN algorithm classifies new data points by calculating distances to all training points, identifying the k closest points, counting their votes, and assigning the class with a majority vote. This simple yet effective approach makes KNN a widely used classification method in various applications. What is cross-validation and why is it used in machine learning? Cross-validation is a technique used to assess the performance and generalizability of a machine learning model. It involves partitioning the data into subsets, training the model on some subsets, training set, and validating it on the remaining subsets, validation set. This process is repeated multiple times to ensure a robust evaluation. Why cross-validation is used? Improves model reliability. Cross-validation provides a more reliable estimate of model performance compared to a single train test split. By using multiple subsets of data for training and validation, it reduces the variance associated with the model evaluation. It ensures that the model is not just learning the peculiarities of a single subset of data but is generalizing well across different subsets. Prevents overfitting. Overfitting occurs when a model performs well on the training data but poorly on unseen data. Cross-validation helps detect overfitting by evaluating the model on multiple validation sets. By validating the model on different subsets of data, cross-validation provides a clearer picture of how the model will perform on an independent dataset. Hyperparameter tuning. Cross-validation is often used in conjunction with hyperparameter tuning. It helps in selecting the best set of hyperparameters by evaluating their performance across multiple data splits. Techniques like grid search or random search use cross-validation to find the optimal hyperparameters that improve model performance. Model selection. Cross-validation aids in comparing different models or algorithms to select the best one for a given problem. By providing performance estimates for each model, it allows for an informed decision on which model to deploy. Common types of cross-validation. K-fold cross-validation. The data is divided into K subsets. The model is trained on K1 subsets and validated on the remaining subset. This process is repeated K times, with each subset used exactly once as the validation set. The final performance metric is the average of the results from all K iterations. Leave one out cross-validation, LUKWA, a special case of K-fold cross-validation where K equals the number of data points. Each data point is used once as a validation set, and the model is trained on the remaining data, provides a thorough evaluation but is computationally expensive for large datasets. Example, suppose we have a dataset with 1,000 samples. In 5-fold cross-validation, the dataset is divided into 5 subsets of 200 samples each. The model is trained on 4 subsets and validated on the remaining one. This process is repeated 5 times, each time with a different subset as the validation set. The final performance is the average of the results from all 5 iterations. Cross-validation is a crucial technique in machine learning for model evaluation, preventing overfitting, hyperparameter tuning, and model selection. It ensures that the model generalizes well to unseen data, leading to more reliable and robust predictive performance. What is the K-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm? The K-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm is a simple, non-parametric, and instance-based learning algorithm used for both classification and regression tasks. It works by identifying the k closest training examples to a given test example and making predictions based on the properties of these neighbors. How KNN works: distance measurement, identifying neighbors, making predictions, advantages of KNN, simplicity. KNN is straightforward to implement and understand. It requires no assumptions about the underlying data distribution. Flexibility. It can be used for both classification and regression tasks. No training phase. KNN is a lazy learning algorithm, meaning it does not build a model during the training phase. Instead, it memorizes the training dataset and makes computations at prediction time. Disadvantages of KNN: computational complexity, as it requires calculating the distance of each test example to all training examples. KNN can be computationally expensive, especially with large datasets. Memory intensive. KNN requires storing the entire training dataset, which can be problematic for large datasets. Sensitivity to irrelevant features. The presence of irrelevant or redundant features can negatively impact the performance of KNN. Feature scaling and selection are important preprocessing steps. Example: consider a dataset of flowers classified into species based on features like petal length and width. To classify a new flower, KNN calculates the distance between the new flower and all flowers in the training set, identifies the k closest flowers, and assigns the species that is most common among these neighbors. The K-nearest neighbors algorithm is a versatile and simple machine learning method effective for both classification and regression tasks. How does the choice of k affect the performance of the KNN algorithm? The choice of k, the number of nearest neighbors considered in the K-nearest neighbors (KNN) algorithm, significantly influences the model's performance, affecting its bias, variance, and overall predictive accuracy. Here is a detailed look at how k impacts the algorithm. Small values of k, low k, large values of k, high k, optimal k. Considerations. Example: consider a dataset of customer transactions to predict fraudulent activity. If k is set too low, the model might misclassify normal transactions as fraud due to noise. If k is set too high, the model might fail to detect actual frauds by overly smoothing the decision boundary. The choice of k in the KNN algorithm is crucial as it impacts the model's sensitivity to noise, balance between bias and variance, and overall predictive performance. Finding the optimal k typically involves empirical testing and cross-validation.